Want to make your rental feel like home without risking your deposit? Let's transform those plain accent walls into something stunning and completely landlord approved. In this video, I'll show you renter-friendly wall makeover ideas that are stylish, removable, and totally damage-free. Definition: a rental accent wall makeover means using temporary materials and creative designs to highlight one wall, giving your space personality without causing permanent changes. Why importance? Accent walls instantly upgrade a room by adding depth, color, and style. For renters, they're the easiest way to personalize a home without drilling, painting, or paying for repairs later. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with peel-and stick wallpaper for instant patterns. 2. Try removable wall decals for a playful or modern touch. 3. Create a fox panel look with painter's tape and contrasting colors. 4. Add peel-and stick 3D panels or fox brick for texture. 5. Hang large fabric pieces or tapestries as a statement wall. Tools explained. You'll need a measuring tape, scissors or utility knife, painter's tape, a smoothing tool, command strips, and your chosen wall materials. Workflow: prep and clean the wall surface. Measure your wall and plan your layout. Apply wallpaper or decals starting from the top, smoothing as you go. Use removable strips for frames or fabric. Add finishing touches with lighting or plants for a complete look. Quick tips: work slowly to avoid bubbles in wallpaper. Mix textures and patterns for depth. Always check that your removable adhesives are weight appropriate for what you hang. Cost comparison: painting and repairs in rentals can cost hundreds, but these DIY renter-friendly makeovers typically range between $20 to $100 depending on the size and style you choose. Now, you can transform your rental accent walls without losing your deposit. Which of these designs would you try first? If you love these ideas, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more renter-friendly DIY hacks.